Hello.
Okay.
What's your name?
Mario.
Anything you want to say?
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, man.
Okay.
Going down for a time. My friends are gonna be there too. I'm on the highway days.
Film you?
Kana ang pangalan lang mo ba? Ano lang. Simple lang. Sige. Okay daw.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Cool. What's your name?
My name is Jasmine.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Anything you want to say to the world?
God bless us all.
No.
She is shy.
Something there.
129 Coffee Shop. How are you guys?
Fine. Hello.
What's your name?
I'm Neil, sir.
Cool. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
What's your name?
Christine, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
What's your name?
Philip.
How are you?
Fine, sir. Very good.
Cool. Anything you guys want to say to the world?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, world.
Hello, Philippines.
Okay, what's your name?
Jeffrey Fontaine.
How are you? Thank you, sir. What's your name?
My name is Justin, sir.
How are you?
I am good.
Cool. Anything you want to say to the world?
Nothing, sir. I'm para, sir.
Okay. Hello, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Adelpa Taparan, Nilang.
How are you?
I'm 41 years old.
How are you?
How are you? I'm fine.
Anything you want to say?
I'm fine. I'm beautiful. And good evening.
Hello, how are you?
Hi guys.
What's your name?
I'm CD.
Anything you want to say?
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello.
Hello, sir.
What's your name?
Elvin, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, sir.
Anything you want to say? Anything you want to say?
You enjoy your stay here, sir?
Well, I had some issues, but I'm okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hello. What's your name?
I'm Jen, sir.
I'm Jimboy po.
I am Marge.
How are you guys?
We're good, sir. Thank you, sir.
Anything else you want to say?
No. Hello, guys.
They gave me free coffee when I left. Hello, what's your name again?
My name is Elson Lagrasas.
Cool, nice to meet you.
Okay.
How are
too,
you?
Sir. I'm good.
Cool, anything you want to say?
Hi.
Thank you.